Hey guys, this is Michelle, a licensed veterinary technician here at Northland Animal Hospital. Today we're using a Doppler unit to obtain Izzy's blood pressure. First, we're going to shave a small patch of fur, then we'll choose an appropriate sized cuff. Next, we'll prep the Doppler probe with transducer gel. Izzy is resting calmly on her side. We can use food, toys, or a comforting touch to help alleviate her anxiety. If the procedure is causing too much stress, light oral sedatives may be recommended. Here, we hold the probe against the skin over an artery and listen for a heartbeat. Next, we inflate the cuff until the heartbeat can no longer be detected. Now we'll deflate the cuff until the heartbeat can be heard again. This process is repeated at least 2 more times to obtain an average. Thanks for watching, and comment below to let us know what other topics you'd like to learn about.